Hello, Earthlings. It's Saturday. I'm about to head out to the Fordham Road practice rooms for another rehearsal for Joe Sprunt's jury thing. This is the Thanksgiving vlog. Yeah. And that is the proverb of the week. Alright, that rehearsal is over, and as you can hear, Juan's car, Juan is all giving us rides home, and as you can hear, his car has turned from an American woman into a British man.
Happens every time.
Yep.
Turn right.
It's going through a transition.
Yeah. It's a transatlantic transgender car.
Yeah. Where's Subaru made? USA? Or in
Japan.
Japan?
I mean, the brand is from Japan. And
Yeah.
they make them here, maybe.
Roommate was twice as sick as I was, so
Oh,
I kind of caught what he got.
Yeah.
Plus, smoke does not help the
Yeah.
recovery process.
Yeah.
So my voice has just been a 0 out of 10
Zero.
for like 3 days.
You sound like a badass.
I sound like Batman.
Yeah, something like
Batman.
that. Yeah. Yeah. Or like, some old guy who's like really been through it all. You know?
He just sits on the bench all day in the park.
Yeah, and smokes cigarettes or whatever.
Poor guy. Poor me.
Yeah.
Alright, it's Sunday now, and they're installing Christmas lights on Commonwealth Avenue. In other news, I'm gonna have brunch today with John Grealish. He was in the band from Diary of a Mad Keyboardist. Actually, I was wrong in that last clip. It wasn't John I was gonna have brunch with. I accidentally had Matt Asrieli's name on my phone as a contact under John's name. I had his number as John's name. As it turns out, John was the only one in the band that couldn't make it. It was the whole band. Michael's gone, but Jordan and Chloe are talking about stuff. Alright, it's Monday now, and there you can see some typical Boston November insubstantial snowfall. It's gone from the ground, but it's still on the windshields of unattended cars. Alright, it's Monday night now. All my classes today went pretty good. We looked at a really nice Richie Byrack tune in advanced modal harmony called Elm, and tonight I'm gonna try to finish the first half of Shwiska Shui, my 10-minute piece that is a total redo of my Jazz Comp 3 final project from last semester, and I also want to make sure I've done everything I wanted to my arrangement of Dawn as a Feeling by the Moody Blues, which is going to be performed near the beginning of December with the Co-op Big Band, because our first rehearsal is next Friday, and I'm sure we're supposed to get the parts to them like sometime like tomorrow or Wednesday. So yeah. It's Tuesday night now, and you know it's Thanksgiving when the calf does this. Alright, it's Wednesday night. I'm in the laundry room washing my clothes. My washer has 5 minutes on it. There's one next to it has 3 minutes on it. And half the dryers are out of order. So there's only one that's close to being done. It's got 4 minutes. Unless he gets here first, it's mine. Alright, it's Thursday morning now. Thanksgiving Day. And I'm headed to the airport. There's not really much to say other than that yet. Alright, it's Friday now. I'm at my uncle and aunt's in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I haven't really seen this part of the family much in forever, apart from one time when I saw my aunt when she and my grandma were on a cruise that passed through Boston. I didn't film anything yesterday, you can tell. I was too busy living. That sounded a bit snobbish. My cousins and I are gonna go out tonight to Mod Pizza. I don't know how far the geographical reach of it is. I don't even know if it's a chain, but it's a place where you can essentially make your own pizza. That's definitely sounds exciting. I mean, not when I say it, but it sounds exciting. Alright, it's a lot later now, and I'm in the same spot as that last clip, but we did go to dinner. We went to 2 different Targets on either side of dinner. I really should have filmed something there. It would have made this vlog a lot more entertaining. These are the cousins I haven't seen face to face in forever. But I'm ending the vlog here because I always end it on a Friday. I haven't even posted the live version of Armistice Day Part 2. But you know, too much has been happening. I think I should find some time next week. I won't have as much on my shoulders. So, go forth and take heed to that proverb you saw earlier in the video. Or just be awesome.